Hey everyone, welcome back to Career Podcast. I'm your host, Nusrat, and today we're diving into a topic that's super relevant for anyone looking to stay ahead in today's fast-moving workplace, upskilling for the future. Joining me is my friend extraordinaire, Arefin. Hey Arefin, great to have you here.
Thanks, Nusrat. I'm so excited to be on the show and chat about how we can all level up our skills for what's coming next.
Awesome, so let's jump right in. The workplace is changing crazy fast. AI, automation, you name it. What are the must-have skills for career growth right now?
Great query. I'd say 3 big ones stand out: adaptability, digital literacy, and leadership. These are like the Swiss Army knife of skills for any professional today.
Love that analogy. Let's break it down. Why is adaptability such a big deal?
Well, things are shifting all the time. New tools, new roles, even entire industries popping up or changing. Adaptability is about rolling with those changes. It's having a growth mindset, staying curious, and not freaking out when your job description evolves overnight.
Been there. So how do you actually get better at adapting?
Start small. Try stepping out of your comfort zone, like volunteering for a project you've never done before. Also, mindfulness practices, like a quick 5-minute meditation, can help you stay calm when things get chaotic. And don't be afraid to fail. It's part of learning.
Totally agree. Failure is just feedback, right? Okay, next up, digital literacy. I feel like everyone's expected to be a tech wizard these days.
Oh, for sure. Digital literacy isn't just knowing how to use Zoom or Excel. It's about being comfortable with the tools that power your industry. Whether it's project management software like Asana or dipping your toes into data analysis with Python, it's about not being intimidated by tech.
Okay, but tech can feel overwhelming. Any tips for someone starting from scratch?
Absolutely. Start with the basics, like mastering Google Workspace or taking a free Excel course on YouTube. Platforms like Coursera or LinkedIn Learning are gold mines for beginner-friendly courses. And follow tech blogs to stay in the loop on trends. It's less about being an expert, more about being confident to learn as you go.
That's super doable. I'm already thinking about brushing up on my data skills. Now let's talk leadership. I know it's not just for bosses, right?
Exactly. Leadership is about influence, whether you are managing a team or just motivating your coworkers. It's about emotional intelligence, listening well, resolving conflicts, and inspiring people. Even if you're not a manager, you can lead by stepping up on a project or mentoring a newbie.
Love that. So how do you build those leadership chops?
Feedback is huge. Ask your colleagues or boss, how can I communicate better? Also try leading small initiatives like organizing a team brainstorm. And read up on leadership. Books like Leaders That Last by Simon Sinek are super inspiring.
Nice. I'm adding that book to my list. Okay, we've got adaptability, digital literacy, and leadership. Any quick tips for making upskilling a habit?
Oh, for sure. Set clear goals. Like, I'll learn a new tool this month. Break it into bite-sized chunks with micro-learning, like 10-minute tutorials. And track your progress with something like Notion to stay motivated. Oh, and network. Join LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or X communities to swap tips with others.
That's so practical. I love the idea of micro-learning. Fits right into a busy schedule. Before we wrap, any final advice for our listeners?
Just start small and stay consistent. You don't need to overhaul your skill set overnight. Dedicate an hour a week, stay curious, and celebrate the little wins. The future's bright if you keep learning.
Perfectly said, Arefin. Thanks for dropping all this wisdom today. All right, folks, that's it for this episode of Career Podcast. If you're ready to upskill, check out the resources Arefin mentioned and let us know your favorite tips in the comments. Until next time, keep growing and listen up Career Podcast episodes.
Thanks, Nusrat. Had a blast.